happened? You come over here. Oh, did you find toys? Who's that? Captain Hook and somebody dressed as a ranger. Walk somewhere. Show everybody how good you walk. You eating Captain Hook? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say Ming Ming?
Mimi.
Hey, don't play with fireplace stuff. Oh, you got it in your book. Layla, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Or not.